Hi friends, I'm Azra from Azra's Magic Touch, and today I'm going to show you how to make eggless date cake. For this you will need seedless dates, milk, sugar, flour, oil, cashew nuts, baking soda. Into a food processor, add the seedless dates. Add sugar to it, milk, blend it all together to make a smooth paste. Looks like it blended well, so you don't have to blend it more. Put the blended mix into a bowl. Add oil to it. Then the flour and add the baking soda to it. Now mix it well till it's mixed fully. Take a foil tray, or you can use baking tray too if the quantity is more. Sprinkle flour on the tray so that the cake mixture does not stick to it. It can be applied evenly with a brush too. Now pour the cake mixture into the tray and spread it evenly. Add some chopped almonds to it. Then add cashew nuts. Once it's all done, put it in the oven for 40 minutes at 150 degrees. Take it out after 40 minutes. And it's ready to serve. Enjoy! Thank you for watching.